So this is an interesting one. How do you control security with Copilot? And believe it or not, Purview is the answer. If you haven't discovered Purview yet, you really should. See, with Purview, there are all these different ways of protecting your data and ensuring that people don't do things that they really shouldn't do. By using the Compliance Manager, you can implement different solutions, different policies, and even create different assessments. There are different regulations that have to be followed with different businesses, and it's easy enough to just type in the name of your country and come up with all the different regulations that you should be following for things like personal information. Then implementing and protecting those things is done through policies. And Copilot pays attention to all this stuff. You can even get reports that tell you exactly how compliant you are as far as ensuring that people don't do things that they shouldn't be doing with sensitive information. There are different things like trainable classifiers that, again, Copilot pays attention to and realizes exactly what type of information you should be getting access to and what types of information that you shouldn't be getting access to, even sensitive information. And again, typing in the name of your country just filters the list so that you find exactly what type of sensitive information you want to configure so that Copilot recognizes it and you implement it using policies. The other thing that you want to do is you want to protect information by labeling it. Labeling information is a way of not just letting people know that this is confidential or highly confidential, but once again, Copilot pays attention to all these different things and it makes decisions as to what it is that you get access to and what you don't get access to.